Hey YouTube, in today's video I'm going to show you guys how to downgrade from iOS 18 to iOS 17, and what we're going to be getting here today is a free app that does not require a computer or jailbreaking your iOS. You can do this for iPads as well, and what we're going to be installing here is the iOS 17 app. Now I'm screen sharing right now. As you guys can see, we have this app here called iOS 17, and what we're going to do is download this here today and show you how to do it. Now I'm just going to basically show you what to do. You're going to get this app called 17. You're going to press install, and then essentially what's going to happen is going to downgrade you or upgrade if you're on iOS 16, you can go to 17, and if you're on iOS 18 on any version, it'll bring you back to 17. So what we're going to do is show you guys how to install this here today. As you guys can see, it's just instructing and doing all those things, but what I'm going to do is show you guys how to get this iOS 17 app installed so you can downgrade and get off that iOS 18 because it's not very good. So let's go ahead and show you guys how to do this. I'm going to close out of that just to save a bit of time. And not do the whole process again. But let's go ahead and get this iOS 17. So come over here to Safari or Google Chrome, whatever browser you use on your iOS, and we're going to visit this website. So type this in. It's a plugin website, and like I said, you don't need a computer, and it's untethered, and you don't need a jailbreak. So type in this, www.plu, and then easy.com. www.plueasy.com. The website, come over here to the search bar on it and type iOS 17, and you're going to see iOS 17 Downgrader. Type on that and it's going to say apps required, press on start installation. Now what's going to happen is your phone's going to install the iOS 17 update. It should take about a minute in order to do this. Because you've already actually got the files here of iOS 17, all it has to do, it doesn't have to download the whole thing again because normally they're about 3 to 4 gigabytes. What this will do will simply take you down to the iOS 17 version and kind of remove some of those files of 18, and obviously there's no problems with this. People haven't had any loss of videos or photos. It's just downgrading the software, so you're going to be all good in order to get this and downgrade this. So as you guys can see, Easy is doing its thing. All we need to do is simply wait for this to next load in. Okay, so as you guys can see, it just says loading apps. This is all normal. And what it's going to do is take you to this next page, and it's going to say, go ahead and get 2 of these additional plugin files to actually install the iOS 17. So in order for this app to install, we're going to have to go ahead and get the additional plugin files so it can kind of install. Now, the reason why I have to do this is because we're basically installing the iOS 17 through these, and you just need to complete 2 of them. There should be 3. Complete 2 of them and they're free, and I'm going to run you through basically what to do. This one here says Pure VPN, so you just tap on it and press continue. It's going to take you to the store. Go ahead and get it and complete whatever it is saying. Okay, so we'll press on that, download that one, cool, and as you guys can see, it's going to go ahead and start getting this one. Now there's also a second one here, and I've actually already completed this. It's called Travel Town. It says get to level 9 in Travel Town. So what we're going to do, tap on continue and go ahead and get to level 9 in the Travel Town. Now you guys might have different ones to me, and that's completely fine. All you need to do is make sure whenever you read, tap on these. If you get this page, just hit the little tab button, come back to it. Is when you tap on it, read the unlock instructions. It's very important, guys, to read those unlock instructions and complete whatever it's saying. So the Travel Town one wanted us to go ahead and get to level 9 in Travel Town. So I'm going to show you what to do right here. Essentially, it's just kind of like a mix and match game. I'm sure you guys have played these before, but you basically want to go ahead and you just kind of like, okay, you just drag these together, and then you tap these, get more and more drag, and then you drag that, and drag that. You just like kind of keep matching. You'll get random ones as well, but you can match that. And essentially is you just get to this level, come over here, upgrade, and you get to level 9. It's super easy, and that's going to complete it. Now what you're going to do is go ahead, and also there's a second one here called Pure VPN. This is the other one I did. It just said go ahead and connect to the VPN. It's free. I'm actually using one right now, so I'm not going to do that. But basically just go ahead and connect that, and that should go ahead and that will install the iOS 17 app. So once you come back to this page, once you've completed both of these, you should start seeing the iOS 17 app begin to install. Just wait for it to install. Like I said, it should take about a minute, and then you're going to go ahead and open it up, and it's going to say welcome to the installer of iOS 17, last update on this date. Go ahead and press on proceed. It says you must have a 3G or Wi-Fi to connect, so just press install, and then that's basically going to go ahead and downgrade you to iOS 17 from 18, any version, and it's all going to be working. So I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Like I said, guys, drop me a comment if you need any help. Give this video a like if it did work for you. And this is the easiest way to downgrade from iOS 18 to 17 as of 2025. 1st of January. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Enjoy iOS 17. It is so much better. And thank you so much for watching this. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out.